Hi, I'm Angie Bentley. Oh my goodness, I'm here because I heard of this Nemeth, Dr. Nemeth and Katranji here. I came here with a lot of infection, and I am just so happy that I found this place. I love this place. Dr. Katranji just gave me some implants. I hope everyone knows how happy I am. I love everyone here. I feel like family. I feel like they're my friends. And oh my gosh, they have treated me so beautiful. Everybody, don't walk, run here. Get their help. I feel 100% better with no infection. It is such a big deal to have everything in your mouth healthy. Please come here. I am coming back all the time.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.